Now you're going to want to get this instrument. This is a free instrument from UVI and Venus Theory. It's called Noctua. I keep wanting to say nocturnal, but it's Noctua. And listen to this sound here, right? So just for this patch, which is called Cycles, it's totally worth downloading this absolutely free instrument. It works here in the UVI Workstation. If you don't have the UVI Workstation, don't worry about it. It's 100% free. Now, if you happen to have something like Falcon, then you should also be able to use it in there as well. Now, you're going to come over here to pick it up, which of course I'll have this link in the description below. And there's even a full walkthrough here by the person who made this instrument. Okay, so if you want to know how to use it, I would highly suggest this video here because they actually made it. They made the sounds. You're going to understand it much more if you, go through this here and listen to what they have to say. But we're going to go over sort of the basics of it real quick. So we can, of course, load up different sounds here. We have basically 3 different layers. So if I wanted to change, say, layer 1 to asteroid, I could do that. I can turn our layers on and off, right? Layer things up however you want. Maybe change this one to something else. Got filters over here. We can link all this stuff to, by the way. We also have a full sequencer back here, so just turn it on for the layer or layers that you want it to be affected by. We could really change this stuff around, going up and down, and semitones or whatever we want. Just kind of randomizing it here. Just a bit. Sounds awful for this one, but if we play a sequenced patch, which is right here, that's pretty cool. And that's all just one key. All right, so you also have a full effects section as well. Pretty simple stuff to figure out, folks. Turn them on, turn them off. You can pan things around, for each layer. Have your amplitude, ADSR right down there, and presets are right over here. So let's go to, say, alarms. We'll go real quick through some of these. Let's go to ambiances. That one's already pretty cool. That's the one I really like, called Cycles. And that's just awesome, right? I can see using that for an intro to... I mean, that could honestly be a score for a movie, for a trailer, or it could be an intro to a metal song or something. It makes me think of Soulfly, actually. If you listen to the Dark Ages album of Soulfly at the very beginning, it has a very similar sound. Then you have the driving drums, Anyway. Awesome. Here's bass. Just want to give you a bit of an idea of why you should pick this one up here. Leads. Again, don't forget, you can change this stuff around. You can sequence things. Right, tons of stuff you can do in this pretty cool free instrument. I skipped over the effects on accident there. Let me just... Well, that's cool right there. You should pick that up just for that sound as well. Let's try this one here. Poison. Really cool. Pads real quick. I'll just show you a bit of each, Also use this arrow here to go to the next one. Make it a little bit harder of a sound. All right, then we have the sequenced. That's pretty cool. I'm just holding down one key in that case. Let's go to the next one. Very cool. Really nice evolving kind of a soundscape there. I would adjust that a little bit. There we go, it's better. See how I can take that morph? I can make that sub so much harder. That's cool. Of course, you have your FM controls, octave controls, plenty of controls in here. We'll do one more sequence, then I'll check out the stabs, and then I'll show you where to get it once again. Very cool. Here's stabs. Let me turn this down a bit. If you're making some sort of an 80s thriller, perfect. Perfect for that. Go here. I guess we'll do one more. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Have a nice rhythm underneath that. That's cool. Again, like I said, feel free to come in here and choose different layers, set things up yourself however you want, mess around with your filters for your layers, your tremolo for your layers, you know, your sub, turn things on or off however you want, pan things around, pitch things, you know. Totally different sound. Turn that morph down. Pitch it up. Drive it, etc. etc. Let's go back to cycles, one of my favorite patches here. Once again, the link for this will be in the description below. If you don't have the UVI player, you can also get the UVI player for free, or if you happen to have Falcon, you can run it in Falcon as well. All right, so just head over here, click get it free, and get it for $0. All right, so again, head over there. You'll definitely want to pick up Noctua by Venus Theory in UVI.